Hi, I'm Kaedy from Cherry Business Solutions, and I help professionals with tech so they don't have to ask their kids for help. But today I thought we'd spend a little more time in detail going over what I can do to help you get active on LinkedIn. First, let's talk about where you are. You're probably a professional who has a stellar profile that you've worked on, you're really proud of, but you're not really active on the platform. Maybe you're not sure how to post or what to comment on other people's content to bring value, or you're unclear of what all the special options are on LinkedIn, like creative mode and live streaming. If you stay where you are and don't make any changes, of course, you're going to have no visibility and no growth on the platform. You'll be frustrated not knowing how to use the buttons, ins and out, bells and whistles of LinkedIn, and you'll be skipped over for opportunities that you deserve, like more clients, better job offers, and speaking engagements. So how do we fix that? To get engaged on LinkedIn, it takes a couple of things. You need real relationships, confidence, and a strong presence on the platform. Real relationships with people who matter, not just random connections, but people who are actually going to make a difference in your life and your career. Confidence on the platform so that you can post, engage, and show off who you are in all the different formats that are available, because people need to get to know you, and a strong personal brand. Of course, this is crucial for everything from networking to job searching. It lets people know who you are and that you're showing up consistently over time so that they know you for who you are instead of you trying to go fishing and looking for them. So how do we build up those three facets? One of them is, of course, by developing your personal brand. It's all about being known, liked, and trusted anywhere that you go. So we're going to achieve that with a strong profile, confident content that you feel good talking about, and clear, consistent communication. That means posting more than once a month. I know some of you are there. It's all right. We'll get you more active on the platform. Another thing that supports those three goals is relationship building. Real relationships with people who matter on the platform. And I mean real like you hop on a phone call with them, real like you hop on a Zoom meeting with them, real like they send you peanut butter because you mentioned that you love it in one of your posts. That actually happened to me. And we achieve that strong relationship with people by searching for the right people. Did you know that you can not only search LinkedIn, but also search specifically people who are related to your contacts? That's super valuable for anyone who's looking for that personal recommendation. You also want to perfect your outreach, knowing what to say to people to compel them to do business with you, and support your network. That one's crucial. You want to show people that you're here for them as much as they're here for you. Moving on to the last facet to your success is engagement. Don't be a lurker. Show up on Instagram and let people know who you are. You're going to achieve this by commenting, which is hugely valuable in the visibility platform. You'll see it, your people will see it, and the people who you post on their network will see it as well. So commenting is huge. Posting, this is your chance to come out as a leader, something of an expert, someone that people go to for content. And consistency, building up that ability to show up every week. And there are definitely things that you can put in place to make that piece of it so much easier. So let's say that you rock all these three things and you achieve real relationships, confidence, and a strong personal brand on the LinkedIn platform. Where will this get you? That will take you up to where you want to be in your LinkedIn goals. So if you master these tenets, then you will achieve these awesome bonuses that you see in the lighter green. You're going to be seen as an authority. People are going to want to reach out to you with decision makers and job offers. You'll be confident and visible on the platform, letting people know who you are, where they can reach you, and what you can do for them. And if you are someone who's trying to market on LinkedIn, of course, you're going to end up with increased sales. So, how can I help you with these goals? I'm an MBA grad from Sam Houston, and I'm inspired to help people, I think partially because of the school motto, a measure of life is its service, and I truly believe that. I also have a SHRM CP certification, which means that I'm using my HR background to help you network, help you polish your personal image, and help you reach out to people who are important to your career. I help all sorts of people on the platform. I've been volunteering for 3 years at a ministry for job seekers, but I also put myself out there on the platform to answer questions and assist people there as well. And these are just a few of the people that I've helped. And how I help. I film how-to videos with screenshots where I show you physically where I'm clicking. So you can pause and rewind as many times as you want. So if you're a little tech nervous, I make it easy for you. I also include templates, samples, and scripts to accelerate your presence on the platform. Just puts it right into the fast lane so that you can get more active more quickly without having to worry. And of course, I'm always here for one-on-one help. When you need me, I'll be there. You can book a slot anytime. A private group of professionals is also available that have the same goals and aims as you do. So join our network and get involved. Hope that this helps explain what is going on with Cherry Business Solutions, and we hope to see you and hear from you soon.